guys won't believe it, it's 45 degrees and it's already April 30th. And Bryson's back here with me. Bryson and I are taking care of things here in the car, keeping it secure. And Brianna and Maurice are up there getting our jackets because it's so god dang cold here, 45 degrees. Can you believe it? It's supposed to be summertime, springtime. Last couple days, 3 days, we had about 68 to 75 degree weather Fahrenheit, and that's more like it, but it turns cold. In fact, it's snowing, a little bit of snow, and it's calling for snow today. But we braved the snow, went out to the post office to get the paperwork all submitted for Bryson's passport, the actual passport, and we're allowed to do it without the Social Security number, which we're still waiting for. They just needed to know that we applied for it, which we did through the birth records, and the healthcare provider, which was Misty. She submitted that request already, and it's been verified at the health department, vital statistics. So that's done, but we're going to go out and celebrate today to the buffet and enjoy it because it's so darn cold. We just want to just relax after getting that finished up. So come on, I'll show you what they got for lunch over there at the buffet. Here they come. Here they come.
Hi everyone.
Where are we going, Bria?
To Atlantis buffet.
What's up with the weather? Here's your coat. Oh. I'm wearing jacket right now.
Yeah, and it's April 30th.
I know, and it's snowing. Jesus Christ.
And I'm wearing my jacket too.
Okay, get back there and get your seatbelt on. Okay, make sure she's got her seatbelt on, will you?
Seatbelt on. I can't believe this weather.
Woohoo! It is cold. You can't, I don't think you can see the sleet, but it's actually ice, sleet coming down. Not pleasant. I'm not going to complain about this weather, as I always do. That's why we're leaving Reno. Trying to get out of here. This weather is so predictable. I dropped the girls off in the front here because it's so cold. Got them in the stroller. Got Bryson in the stroller. We're going to the Oyster Bar, through the Oyster Bar on the second level, crossing the road, South Virginia Street, and they're ahead of me now. Now we're going to go down through the casino, so I'll turn off the camera for now and turn it back on when we get into the buffet.
Okay, Mom, where you are now?
We are in Atlantis.
Yep. And now we got everyone's drink. Dad's over there getting his food. And here's my Sprite and my mom. Okay. I'm bringing the camera. Woo.
I'm gonna get you food first, okay?
Nice.
You wanna eat?
The same thing as before. Gravy and mashed. Mom, we can have this chicken too. That's seafood.
You don't like the hot coffee? You wanna try?
Yeah, don't forget some pizza. Pizza.
Over there.
Over there. Okay, let's go, go, go. I don't know how to punch my finger. Oh, yeah. Is that a snake? Mom, is the snake already dead?
Yeah.
Ooh.
You got one more? One more? Wow. And then
Oh. Here's Mom getting my pizza. Whoa, the food's so beautiful. This is here forever. I took the video of the beautiful. What?
I picked up a little Asian salad over there with some of my favorite cheese. I like this cheese. And just a few of these fried shrimps.
I'm gonna get my food.
Nice.
I'm gonna go get my food.
Delicious.
Is that good? Is that good? All right. What is this? This is like a little bit overcooked there. Then they're chicken backs. I want to get something good. Chicken backs are the cheapest part of the chicken. You got to get you a good piece. Huh?
I got these too.
Yeah? What are those? Take a bite of that. Show me what that is. Show me what that is.
So we just finished eat our lunch. That was yummy. Now we're ready to go.
She thinks it was yummy. I didn't think it was as good as usual.
Mine is a little yummy.
Okay.
Mine is
Amit,
mostly yummy.
yours is what?
Mostly yummy.
Yours is mostly yummy? All right, let's get out of here. We only spent about 2 hours over here. And I'm going to go run you through the buffet to show you what it was today. But it wasn't really that great to me, but they liked it. I'll just show you it again. It's normally pretty good, but on Tuesday, I've always found Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, it's not too good. Fridays and the weekends and Monday when they have the big special where it's half off for seniors. And that day, the pizza's pretty good if you like pizza. You got Asian stuff, but it's not a bad buffet. But much better on the weekends. And that the big one on Monday is pretty good. Some of the food wasn't very tasty. Oh, hold on. I got to unlock these things. How does it go? I forget. There it is. Just push down, see? Push down and it makes it turn again. Okay, are you happy?
Happy now.
You weren't too happy, were you? You couldn't make it turn very well. Let's get out of here. Let's walk this way. I'll show the rest of the buffet on the way out of here. Here's a nice little Asian thing. The faux soup, which I've shown in videos before. Big salad bar. I think it's one of the better ones in town, actually. Probably the best one in town. Peppermill's pretty good. But they can all be good and they can all be bad. There's a big Mexican food portion over here, which I'm not going to show because it's just basically Mexican food. All right, let's go.
Go.
Giddy up. Ow! Did I step on your heels, Bria? Watch where you going. This is the part that Maurice does not like because she has to walk. Brianna doesn't like it either because she has to walk through the stinky part of the casino where all the smokers are at. It stinks. Hold your breath, Bria. Yeah.
So soft. I wish that could be my jacket.
What is it?
I wish that the white jacket could be mine.
Oh, okay. Well, don't get too far behind Mommy. This is really bad over here where all the smokers are. Push the button, Bria. I'm gonna get it.
Oh, sorry.
Let him out first.
Okay, I don't see her.
I want to be separated.
Oh no.
Button. What? 1,
3.
3.
Leave me alone.
Can I see?
No.
Here we go.
He's so cute.
Okay, so I'll go get the car, okay?
Where are you going, Nick?
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad,